Hi, Rainy. How are you doing?
I'm fine, I'm doing okay. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
Okay.
How did you like the modeling yesterday?
Oh, I love doing modeling.
Oh,
Are we
good.
gonna do some more today?
No, not
'Cause that
today.
was really cool.
Oh, I'm glad
I
you
just
liked
want to
it.
model and model and model.
No, we're not going to do that
Oh,
today. No.
okay.
So what I need you to do, you got your
Yeah.
trike? Yeah,
Uh-huh.
you got your helmet there? Okay, so I need you to take up
Okay.
to the bank. Do you know where that is? Just take those papers to the bank that you see there. Okay, it's just to make a deposit for us. So just get on your trike and go over to the bank.
Okay.
You sure you know where that is?
Oh yeah. I know where that is. It's like right by the store.
Yeah.
You go there and there, right,
Down
and
down
then
to the end
around,
of
and
the
it's like
street. Okay.
over by the
To the right.
big place with the blankets. Isn't
Uh-huh.
the same thing
It's
there,
across
right?
the street from the
That's the one.
mall. It's
I don't have to go across the big road, do
no,
I?
no, you don't have to go across the big road.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
we want you to go to the craft store
Yeah,
after
I
that.
know where that is.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
that's
craft
like right
store.
over there.
Yeah, okay, you come back on the way home and you
Oh,
get that.
okay.
Yeah. So if you could do that, just take that stuff
Oh,
there. Uh-huh.
okay.
That's it. And then you could just go.
Okay.
Be about an hour, I would guess. Take you that long.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right. Okay.
So we'll see you in an hour then, all right?
Get the
Yeah, get you out of your
stuff.
cool trike and ride over there for us. That'd be terrific.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, okay, good.
Okay.
So just, okay, good.
Yeah.
Call us if you need us, all right?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. Okay. Okay, let's see. Going to the bank and then to the craft store afterwards. Okay. Oh gosh. I just locked this up. Okay. This lock takes forever to undo. Oh boy. Okay, the bank is to the left and then left. Whee! I love this feeling, you guys. Oh, that's the electric motor. Whoop! Around the speed bump. Whee! Zoom! Oh, it's noisy. Gosh, what's this guy doing? Oh, it's noisy. What's he doing? I don't think he was mowing the lawn. I think, oh, he's one of those, okay. Ooh, watch it, lady. Oh, taxi. Now we go left. Woo! Okay. Let me see. Is this the bike thing? Isn't that pretty with the palm trees and everything? Oh, that's so nice. Okay, I know where to go. This is good. Okay, I know just what I'm gonna do. Let me see. Boy, it's windy. What I've got, they used to call blues. What are you doing, car? Okay, right across in front of me. Oh gosh, you guys. Okay, I keep going. And let's see. That's not the street. That's not the street. But do I want to know? I can wait a minute. See, there's the bike plate. It's a bike. Woo! Mr. Truckee, bring something for me. Oh, okay, I keep going. And let's see, that's not the street, that's not the street. But do I want to know? I can wait a minute. See, there's the bike plate, it's a bike. Woo! Mr. Truckee, bring something for me. Oh. Mr. Truckee, bring something for me. Oh, okay, I keep going. And let's see, that's not the street, that's not the street. But do I want to know? I can wait a minute. See, there's the bike plate, it's a bike. Woo! Mr. Truckee, bring something for me. Foxy used to work here. I remember. That's my motor, that whining sound. That's neat, huh? I'm gonna go on the sidewalk now. I feel better on the sidewalk. Oh, gosh. This is the big road, and she said I'm not going across it. I know where we're going. We're gonna go right here, but we're not going onto the big road. We're staying on the sidewalk. Boy, it's loud. See, you just stay right on the nice sidewalk, and we're not too far away now. Can I make it? No. I'm watching the cross thingy, not the actual light there. Okay, well, I'm a little tilted, so you can't see the crosswalk light. But oh boy. Time in England took me away. Long rocky beaches. We started a story whose end must not wait until when our eyes meet. When counted you, when will this strong yet end? And when will I hold you? We made it. I see the ATM. Oops, hi car. There's a big red ATM. Now I just stick the money in and then I can go to the craft store. Whee! Okay, the money's in. So now we can go to the craft store. I just gotta unlock. Woo, big truck. And then we'll go back to the craft store. Okay, we're done. Oh gosh, you guys. Okay, so yeah, they gave me, we just left the craft store. Ooh, trash, go around. Yuck, there's always trash. They gave me a big box at the craft store full of yarn and everything, and it's all paid for and everything. Okay, well, I'm gonna say goodbye now. This was kind of fun. Okay. Bye, you guys.